Your truck seats take a beating every single day. Spills, heat, dirt, wear. And once they're damaged, there's no undo button. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best seat covers for GMC Sierra that protect, upgrade comfort, and instantly change your interior. Some of these picks come with exclusive discounts. Check the link in the description before prices jump. Let's start. Number 5. JOJOBAY Chevy Silverado seat covers instantly upgrade your GMC Sierra with custom-fit premium faux leather designed for 2007 to 2026 1500, 2500 HD, 3500 HD trucks. Built with soft, durable PU leather and a multi-layer design including high-resilience sponge and non-slip silicone. These covers ensure unmatched comfort and protection. Safety is key. Airbags, seatbelts, and heated seats remain fully accessible. Easy 30-minute installation. Elegant 3D embroidery finish. Water-resistant and wear-resistant for long-term use. With Amazon's Choice rating, free returns, and a 30-day warranty, these covers deliver style, durability, and peace of mind. Number 4. LUCKYMAN Club Silverado seat covers deliver a premium upgrade for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and 2020 to 2025 GMC Sierra 1500, 2500 HD, 3500 HD crew cab. Crafted from durable, water-resistant faux leather, these custom-fit covers protect every inch of your seats while adding a sleek black and gray style. Front and rear seats are fully covered. Compatible with airbags and electric buttons, and feature foldable rear seats with an ingenious cup holder design. Installation is a breeze with the step-by-step manual. Enjoy comfort, luxury, long-lasting durability, and enhanced vehicle aesthetics, all instantly elevating your truck's interior. Number 3. RIDEPOSH seat covers instantly upgrade your GMC Sierra with a perfect custom fit. Designed for 2019 to 2026 crew cab models and 2500 HD/3500 HD trucks. Crafted from premium faux Napa leather, these waterproof, breathable, and ultra-soft seat covers protect against spills, pet scratches, and daily wear while maintaining full airbag and seat functionality. Featuring exquisite embroidery, luxury design, and convenient rear seat back storage. Installation is quick with included accessories. Enjoy lasting comfort, style, and durability on every ride. RIDEPOSH blends protection, performance, and elegance to keep your truck looking showroom fresh. Number 2. YIERTAI for GMC Sierra transforms your truck interior instantly. These custom-fit seat covers, designed for 2007 to 2026 Silverado and Sierra 1500, 2500, 3500 HD models, are crafted from soft, waterproof faux leather that's dirt-resistant and easy to clean. Precision cut for airbag compatibility, with exposed seatbelt buckles and handy storage pockets, they protect seats from pets, spills, and daily wear. Installation is a breeze with the included manual. Enjoy comfort, durability, and style while keeping your truck interior pristine. Perfect for truck owners seeking premium protection and effortless maintenance, YIERTAI delivers. Number 1. Aierxuan delivers one of the best seat covers for GMC Sierra drivers who want premium protection without sacrificing style or safety. Designed as a custom-fit full set, these waterproof faux leather seat covers feature high-density padding for comfort, a high protection level against spills, pet claws, and daily wear, and precise airbag compatibility for safety. Product specifications include front and back coverage, durable leather fabric, secure non-slip installation, and smart storage pockets. Pros include easy 25-minute installation, long-term durability, and excellent value, protecting your truck's interior while upgrading its look and resale appeal.